Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith and this is your GIS News for March 25. Government has successfully completed all prior actions required to ink a new standby agreement with the International Monetary Fund, IMF. That announcement came as Cabinet wrapped up its two-day special meeting at Jamaica House on Monday. The IMF prior actions included tax reform measures, the national debt exchange offer, and a wage restraint agreement with public sector workers. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller and her team were advised that Jamaica now awaits a report from the fund regarding its discussions with other multilateral financial institutions. In the meantime, Cabinet has also agreed on the 2013-2014 budget, which is to be tabled in Parliament on April 4. The new budget is in keeping with the IMF program and places priority on economic reform, economic growth, and social protection. Meanwhile, the Senate has approved a bill that establishes Tax Administration Jamaica TAJ as a semi-autonomous revenue authority. The Tax Administration Jamaica Act 2013, which was piloted in the upper house by Justice Minister Senator Mark Golding, was passed on Friday. It had already received the approval of the lower house earlier in the week. Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips, who piloted the bill in the House of Representatives, said the legislation was one of the structural benchmarks in the program with the International Monetary Fund.
Irrespective of that fact, it is something which we need to do in order to enhance our capacity to collect the taxes which are due and to enable the tax reform process, which so much has been spoken about, to be given a good administrative foundation.
The Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining now has a centralized database system that will allow for complete access to energy-related information. The National Energy Information Clearinghouse and the Energy Database Management Information System were launched last Thursday. They will jointly provide individuals and stakeholders with up-to-date information to facilitate dialogue and decision-making.
These two tools together will give us that improved capability to be able to forward plan, to make better decisions, to take corrective action where it is necessary, to encourage dialogue, to encourage research, to provide a framework for investment in the energy sector.
The Office of the Children's Registry, OCR, has intensified its child participation program, which allows young people to participate in the fight against child abuse. The OCR has been conducting a series of school tours to promote the program. The first stop this year was at the Glenmuir High School last week, where the OCR announced its child ambassadors for the Central Region, which covers Clarendon and St. Catherine.
Through this medium, children are given an opportunity to not only actively participate in the fight against child abuse, but also to fulfill their rights to participate in accordance with the UN Convention of the Rights of the Child.
OCR Registrar Greg Smith also used the opportunity to encourage Jamaicans to report cases of child abuse to the OCR by dialing 1-888-PROTECT. That's 1-888-776-8328. And finally, scores of young people were recognized for outstanding achievements at Sunday's staging of the Prime Minister's Youth Awards for Excellence. The awards recognize persons between ages 15 and 24 who have made outstanding contributions to a number of areas, including sports, agriculture, academics, and arts and culture. Among the awardees were recording artist Romain Virgo and 200-meter Olympic bronze medalist Warren Weir. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller urged recipients to keep on striving.
It don't matter your circumstance of birth. You are achievers and you can achieve greatness. You have used your imagination to forge a life of accomplishment and to provide inspiration to other young people and indeed to our nation.
Meanwhile, Youth and Culture Minister Lisa Hanna said she was inspired by the work of the young people.
What you're witnessing here today is the excellence of the next generation that will herald a new time of courage, passion, resilience, and fortitude for Jamaica to remain the best cultural capital and country in the world.
The Prime Minister's Youth Awards was held under the theme Youth on a Mission, Project 2062. And that's it for GIS News today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.